The tragic Vaal crash that claimed 14 young lives has left the Sebokeng community reeling, forcing families, classmates and residents to confront both grief and the urgent need for safer systems. On the 25th of January, a joint funeral for Thato Ofentse and Bokamoso was held at the Saul Tsotetsi Multipurpose Center, where parents and learners wept openly, some overcome with despair. While relatives paid emotional tribute to the children, remembering their unique personalities, Bokamoso for her feisty spirit, Ofentse for a life taken far too soon, and Thato for his bright and loving nature. Amid the sorrow, Premier Panyaza Lesufi highlighted the broader issues behind the tragedy, noting that the transport system's failures, combined with the lack of quality schools in township areas, forced children to travel long distances to attend classes, putting them at unnecessary risk. The heartbreaking service underscored not only the community's profound loss, but also the urgent need for action to prevent such tragedies in the future, reminding South Africans that protecting young lives requires both care and systematic change.